It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus Shades. You're watching Shades Wade.
What is good, people? We got another motherfucking install. What are we doing? I'll show you what we're doing. We're getting rid of this. And we got the big bad boy OG motherfucking M&M Honda strut tower bar. So obviously, step one is going to be to remove the new speed. Camera died, but essentially you got a ditch. You cannot, as far as I can tell, you cannot use this bar. It will not clear correctly. It'll clear on one side, then the other side it won't be able to fit, so fuck all that, basically. Yeah, but she looks pretty good. Only thing that bugs me is these washers. I don't understand. I'm gonna look at the instructions again, because these bitches are tight. The three strut tower bolts, but right here, it's not that much. See what I'm saying? They're sitting pretty tall. They used to, when I had the new speed one, they used to sit down and be on the pitches. Then you look over here, you're about to the pitches on these, but very, very little. I mean, I'll put it to you this way. Let's do the do the good old that bitch is sturdy as a motherfucker. Only thing that's wobbling is the hood in the car. But she looks damn fucking good. But yeah, in a nutshell, guys, that's the install. Thanks for watching. I'm out.